difficult to get this. Even if here I have completely exposed this part, you can see both the right and the left nerve. And what I'm going to do is, this was the exoskeleton on the eye stalk. I'm just going to cut it off. So again, when I'm cutting, I'm using a forceps to pull it like this, and I'm making sure that I'm not cutting the nerve or the eye or anything. So here very clearly you can see the right and the left optic nerve, the two halves of the cerebral ganglia here fused together to form the brain. Then you can see how the circumesophageal connective is coming back. I haven't cleaned the part of the esophagus very well because I do not want to break the nerve. Then you can see some of the ganglia in the thoracic region, and then we have come to the abdominal part. So this you have to move apart and you have to clean here better. You are coming down here. Remember, I had said that as you come to the lower part of this region, that is to the end of the posterior most end of the prawn, there is a small sort of a curve here. So you expect it to go straight here, and this is where you sometimes make a break because there is a small change in trajectory, and it usually lies slightly towards the right. So after that, once you have traced that, then it is okay. So all you have to do is just remove the muscles using your needle. Now, because we have the entire nerve under our control in our sides, we can even use the forceps. If you are not sure about the forceps, then please don't use it. If you are okay with using the needle, then or that would be better. It will take a little more time, but once you gain expertise, you can be free to use your forceps or scissors once you become experts. But initially, when you want to gain confidence over this, the best thing is to ensure that you use your needle better. So now the next step is, to display it. So like because you have followed through the entire process, you know where all these things are lying. But for an examiner, it will be difficult to make out where these nerves are. In Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, they use picric acid. So when picric acid, it's a yellow colored acid. When you put the acid, keep it lay it here for some time and then wash it off. The nerves or the neurons, they take a yellow hue. But it is not allowed in the colleges of Kerala, or it is not very popular. So instead of that, we have to display. So for displaying, you can use either thinly cut sheets of black paper, or you can use pananar. Okay, or another thing is you can use any bristles of the brushes. So because I am doing this from my home, I have used the bristle of a old plastic brush here. So what I have to do is, I have cut this bristle here and I am keeping it here like this. So we make sure that these bristles are evenly placed. So because it is a pink colored one, the effect may not be very good, but like I said, I am improvising from my home, so I do not have much of an option here. Usually in the college you are provided with black bristles, or the pananare, it is also dark brownish in nature, so you will get a better idea. So I'll display it completely and then I will show you how the final look will be. So we just ditched the idea of the plastic because that pink color was not at all visible. Instead, what I have done is, we have taken black paper, black chart paper, and cut it into small pieces. So it is slightly difficult sometimes because the paper gets damp and it loses its stiffness, and to insert is slightly difficult, but all the same, now you can see it's much more clearly displayed. You can see the nerve very, very clearly. So displaying this part is very easy, but as you come to the thoracic region, what happens is that the nerve is quite clearly, very thickly attached to the body, to the rest of the body. So it's very difficult for us to insert the bristle into underneath the nerve. So this way try to make your bristles evenly sized and try to keep it in a evenly spaced manner, so that way your display will look very beautiful. There are extra marks for display also, so the more beautiful your display, the higher the chances of you impressing your examiner. And of course, more than impressing the examiner, you feel elated because you have been able to do something beautiful. You have been able to make something beautiful. See, the paper here has lost the stiffness. That is why I am finding it difficult to insert it. That is one of the problems with using paper. If you have any other dark colored thing which you can use, that would be fine. Here I have used larger bristles so that I can cover both the branches of the vise here. You can see the brain and the optical nerve here. So what I am trying to do is I am just going to insert one underneath like this. So I am keeping one right beneath the optic nerve here. One I have placed just beneath the brain, and another one I am placing beneath the right branch of the optic nerve. So when we are doing the display, we have to be very careful lest we, in case you can't push them inside the brain, underneath the nerve, at least try to arrange them around so that still the thing is quite highlighted. So we may not be able to get a display as we got in the thoracic and the abdominal region because these parts are very tender, but at least we can show. So the brain here, the two optic nerves here, you can see the circumesophageal connective, then you can see the nerve here, the commissural nerve, then you can see how the Y closes together. In the thoracic region you can see certain ganglions, and it goes all the way down till the posterior end of the body. So this is all about the nervous system. Thank you.